Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about a topic of 8th standard, that is ratio and proportion. This is chapter number 6. Student, in early classes we already discussed about a ratio. For now today we will discuss about only proportion. Okay. First, what is the proportion? Student, if there are four quantities and four quantities are said to be proportion, if the ratio first to the second is the same ratio of third to the fourth, like this. If we have A, B, C and D, there are four quantity A, B, C and D. Ratio of first to the second same ratio of third to the fourth. This is the sign of proportion. This is the sign of ratio and this is the sign of proportion. And we write this A by B and proportion means equal C by D. Okay student, if we take cross multiplication, then A multiply D equal to B multiply C. Okay student, AD equal to BC. Student, these are the mean terms. These are mean terms and these are extreme terms. Okay. First, the second, third and fourth, and in middle these are the middle term, also mean term, and these are the extreme terms. A and D are extreme terms, and we know that in proportion multiplication of extreme equal to multiplication of mean. Okay student, if we are talking about four quantity, then we are discuss about simple proportion. Student, there is again a continued proportion. What is continued proportion? Student, if there is three quantity A, B and C, there is three quantity and these three quantity are said to be continued proportion if the ratio of first to the second same ratio of second to the third. Okay, in continued we take only three quantity, but in simple proportion we take a total four quantity. And these are the middle term, means mean terms, and A and C, these are extreme. And we know that in proportion multiply of extreme equal to multiply of mean, and this equal to AC equal to B square. And we use directly in continued proportional square of mean equal to multiplication of extreme, and we use this result direct in our exercise for solving the question. Okay, so student, in simple, if we are talking about simple proportion, then there is four quantity, but if we are talking about continued proportion, then there is three quantity. This is first, this is third, this is first, this is third, and this is a mean proportion. Okay, in simple, this is first proportion, second proportion, third, and this is fourth, but continued first, third, and this is a mean proportion. Okay, now I will take some questions from exercise. Now we have some questions from exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. Then question number first, part number first. Student, this is the first question. Find the value of x if 3.5 ratio 2.5 proportion x ratio 12. These are four quantities and these four quantities are in proportion. Then we use the result for a proportional. The product of mean equal to the product of extreme. Okay. Product of mean 2.5 multiply x equal to product of extreme 3.5 multiply 12. Okay student, we find the value of x, then x equal to 3.5 multiply 12 divided by 2.5. These are the decimal, only same digit. After one digit, then we directly cancel out this decimal. Then 5 5 25, 5 7 ja 35. Then 12 7 ja 84, 84 by 5. We divide 84 by 5. Then this equal to 16.8. Okay. Then value of x equal to 16.8. Okay. This is the first question. Next student, question number second. Check whether 3.75, 18.75 and 93.75 are in continued proportion or no. Student, we know that if product of mean equal to the product of extreme, these are in continued proportional. So first we check these are in continued or not. So first is A equal to 3.75, B equal to 18.75 and C equal to 93.75. If these are in continued, then we know that A ratio B proportional, B ratio on C. Okay. Then B square equal to AC. If B square equal to AC, then these are in continued, otherwise this is not in continued. So first we find the B square and again we multiply A and C. Student, if multiplication of this and square of this both are equal, then this is continued, otherwise this is not continued. You do the square of this and multiplication of this. Okay. Then question number 3, find fourth proportional. Find fourth. First is given, second is given and third is given. We find the fourth proportional. Let the fourth proportion is x. Let fourth is x. Then these are in simple 2.3 ratio 4.6 proportional third and fourth. First, second and proportional third and fourth, and we assume fourth is x. Then same as it is product of extreme 2.3 multiply x equal to product of extreme 4.6 multiply 3. Then x equal to 4.6 multiply 3 2.3. Then we remove decimal because same hai after same digit. 23 ones are 23 twos are. Okay, then x equal to 6. Value of x equal to 6. X equal to 6. The fourth proportional is 6. Next question number 4. Find the fourth proportional. First is 72 centimeter. Second is 1.2 meter. Third is 60 millimeter. Student, if they are in simple proportional, A ratio B proportional C ratio D, then there is no need to all the quantities are same kind, but it is compulsory A and B both are same kind and C and D both are same kind. Okay, so first we assume first and second same kind and third and fourth both are same kind. We find the fourth proportional. Let a fourth proportional, fourth is x. Okay, then first is 72 centimeter ratio, then second is a meter. We convert meter into a centimeter, then this is 120 centimeter. Okay, 1.2 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. If you multiply 100, then this equal to 120 centimeter. Okay, student. Then proportional. If we convert millimeter also centimeter, then there is no problem. Student, 60 millimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, sorry, 60 millimeter equal to 6 centimeter. We know that in a 1 millimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, then 60 millimeter equal to 6 centimeter. This in centimeter, this is also in centimeter, and this is also in a centimeter 6. Then fourth is also in a centimeter because these both are in a same. If we take this in centimeter, then this is also in a centimeter. Our answer is also in a centimeter. Then same as it is product of extreme 72 multiply x equal to product of mean 120 multiply 6. X equal to 120 multiply 6 by 72. Then 12 1 6 cancel, then 10 and 10 is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Okay, student, this is 10 centimeter. Yeah, we take this 100 millimeter. There is no problem. 10 centimeter, yeah, 100 millimeter. Okay, because in 1 centimeter 10 millimeter. This is fourth question. Next is question number 5. Find third proportional. Student, if there is only 2 given and we find third, that means there is only three quantities, and if there is 3 quantities, then these are in a continued. First we find third, that means this is first and this is mean. This is mean, and we find third. Let third is x. Third is x. Then according to continued proportional, this is if we are talking about continued proportional, then 3 quantities are the same kind. Okay, are the same kind. Then three are the same kind. This is also gram and x is also in a gram. Okay. Then according to continued proportional, square of mean equal to product of extreme first and third. Okay. Then 60 square 3600 equal to 40 multiply x, then x equal to 3600 divided by 40, 0 again. Okay, for 190, x equal to 90, then third is 90 gram. Okay, 90 in. Then next question, question number 6, find the mean. There are only two quantities, we find the mean, then these are also in continued. If we are talking about only 3, then these are in continued, but if there are total 4 quantities, then these are simple proportional. Okay, we find the mean and there is only 2, then this is first and this is third, and we find the mean. Let mean proportional is x, then we know that in continued proportional, first ratio second and second ratio okay student, then square of mean equal to 1 by 16 multiply 4 by 25. Okay, 1 by this equal to 1 by 25 for the 100, and x equal to 1 by 100 square root, and this equal to plus minus 1 by 10. Then x equal to 1 by 10. We take x equal to 1 by 10 because these are also okay, the mean proportional, x equal to 1 by 10. Next I will take next question. Okay. Then question number 8, the third proportion of 3 and 5 correct two decimal places. Okay, we find the third proportion of 3 and 5 correct two decimal places. Student, there is only two. First, only 2, 3 and 5, and we find the third. That means these are in continued. If there are total given 2 and we find it 1, then there is total 3 and these are in continued. So we find the third, then this is first, this is mean, and we let third is x. So first is 3, mean 5, and let third is x. Okay, then according to continued, first to mean and next 5 to x. This is a third. Then multiplication of this equal to 3 multiply x, and 5 square 25 equal to 3x. Student, x equal to 25 by 3. We find decimal to place to correct a decimal. Okay, then first is 3 8 ja. Then 1 3 3 ja. This is approximately 8.33. Okay. Then question number 9. Find the number which bears the same ratio to 5 that 8 does to 2. Student, find the number. We find a number which bears the same ratio to 5 that 8 does to 2. Let this number is this number x. Let this is x number. Then x bears the same ratio to 5 that 8 does to 2. That means 8 ratio 2. Okay, we find the value of x. Then x multiply 2 equal to 5 multiply 8. Then x equal to 5 multiply 8 by 2 to 1 and 4. 5 4 20. Then value of x equal to 20. Then that number is 20. Okay. Next is question number 10. Find x if mean proportional between x and 96 is 24. Student, given we find the value of x and mean proportional between x and 96 is 24. That means first is x and mean second is 24, and also next mean 24 ratio to 96. First and third, and this is a mean, and these are in continued. X ratio 24, proportion 24 ratio 96. Okay, then 24 multiply 24 equal to x multiply 96. X multiply 96 equal to 24 multiply 24, then x equal to 24 multiply 24 by 90. 24 4 ja, 24 1 ja, 24 4 ja, 4 1 ja 6. X equal to 6. then value of x is x equal to 6. This is question number 20. Okay. Next is if 50 is the fourth proportion of 8, 10 and x, find the value of x. 50 is fourth of 8, 10 and x. That means 8 is first, 10 is second and x is third and 50 is fourth. 50 is fourth. Okay. Then 10 multiply x equal to 8 multiply 50. X equal to 8 multiply 50 by and 10. 10 1 10 and 5. X equal to 8 5 8 5 40. Then value of x equal to 40. Okay student, this is the exercise 6.1. Student 6.2 in next video. I hope you like this video.